We begin by creating 4 different functions for basic math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Each of these functions takes 2 numbers as input and returns the result. This makes our code cleaner and reusable. Next, we display a menu to the user. This tells them to choose which operation they want to perform. This prints out 4 options. 1 means add, 2 means subtract, and so on. Now we ask the user to choose one of the options by typing a number from 1 to 4. The number they type will be saved and used to decide which operation to perform. Then we ask the user to enter 2 numbers. These will be the numbers we calculate with. These inputs are stored as N1 and N2. We'll use them in the chosen operation. Here comes the main logic of the program. We now check which operation the user selected and call the matching function. If the user chose 1, we add the 2 numbers and show the result. If they chose 2, we subtract. If 3, we multiply. And if 4, we divide. For example, if someone enters 6 and 3 and selects option 3, it will multiply 6 by 3 and show 18. But what if the user enters something outside of 1 to 4? We handle that too. This message tells the user they typed an invalid option. So that's how this simple calculator works. It's a great example to understand functions, user input, and decision-making in Python.